Alright detectives, we've got 2 clues to find, and a lot of ground to cover. So let's split up. You, Josh, and Sailor Mars, go that way. I'm going this way. I'll be in contact if I find any useful information. Good luck detectives.
Good luck, Steve. Okay, let's go.
A clue, a clue!
Oh yeah, this Chinese food place looks new.
Oh yeah, that does look new. That's the first thing I've noticed, and we've only been in the neighborhood for a little bit.
Now, a clue! Right there!
Oh, our second clue. And it's on that spoon.
Oh boy, we have our second clue. You know what we need, our handy-dandy
Notebook.
notebook, right. So, a spoon. Let's draw a long line for the handle, and a curve right here on the top. There, a spoon. Okay, so where do you think Blue could be, with Sarah? And a spoon. What do you think? Oh, good thinking. But let's find our last clue, to figure this out. Oh, we got an email. Over there, Josh. Here's email. It never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes I wanna wail. Email. Wait, just got an email. Wait, just got an email. Wait, just got an email. I wonder who it's from. Oh look, it's an email from Steve.
Hi. How did you know it was me? Well, I went undercover and I did some investigating. Here's what I found out. You need to find an orange kitten with yellow sunglasses. She has information about your next clue. All right. Good luck, detectives. I'll catch up with you later.
Bye, Steve. Okay, so we need to find an orange kitten, with yellow sunglasses, to find our last clue. Let's go investigate.